Web Regeneration, tara! Share love, one journey, our story. Let's feel life with love and adventure. For this episode, tara! Mag-food hunting ta sa Kidapawan. First stop natin ay ang Bogrets Deli na matatagpuan sa Novel Subdivision, Lanao, Kidapawan City. They offer appetizers, short orders, bilao treats, and party trays. They also have coolers with fresh juices and desserts. Napaka-comfy din ang place nila dito in all fairness. So good for family events like birthday celebration or even romantic dates with your loved ones. Kaya go na and discover the heart of Pinoy comfort food at Bogrets Deli Bistro sa Kidapawan. Next stop natin ay ang Suruyan, Kidapawan. Located ito sa Overland Terminal Road, Poblacion, Kidapawan City. Actually, napakaraming food stalls dito. So, naglibot-libot muna kami to look for food na aming bibilhin. Ang daming all-time favorite food dito ng mga street foods, smoothies, and fruit shakes. And mga ulam na for sure matatakam ka talagang bumili. Here we are. Napasubo talagang bumili ng pork chop dito sa Food City, Food and Drinks. Pero wait, naririnig nyo ba yung naririnig ko? Bini! At dahil nilamon tayo ng Bini Nation, kaya hindi talaga napigilan. Akala mo na talaga, galing ng Bini ng Suruyan. Pero anyway, ang pinaka-main reason why there is Suruyan are the barbecue stations na sobrang daming choices na matatakam ka talaga. Kaya, suroy na sa Suruyan. Anyway, syempre hindi pwedeng hindi maka-Rebrija moment, so taking videos together is always our favorite moment. Last stop natin for tonight's food hunting is ang City Plaza, one of the most amusing place here sa Kidapawan. So kung purely street foods lang ang iyong hinahanap, tara na sa Kidapawan City Plaza. And naglakad-lakad muna kami looking for street foods na kinikrave namin ngayon. And actually, ang daming street foods na available here na malilito ka talaga kung anong bibilhin mo. So there are all-time favorite na kwek-kwek, isaw, fish balls, kikiam, na OMG, ang sarap-sarap talaga nilang bilhin lahat. Ayan, so we are picking there what we gonna buy. Ayan. So, pumipili muna kami ng mga gusto naming bilhin. Finally, we're home and ito na lahat yung nabili namin. We have here, ayan, madami kaming binili. Parang nag-food trip talaga. We have here the first one, the sinigang from Bogrets Deli. We have also lumpia, yan, kwek-kwek, of course, may toyo, charas. The buttered chicken, the pork chop, we have the barbecue and the isaw, the tuna pangan, the kikiam, and the fish balls. So that's for today. Abangan na lang for the next video kung gaano ka-tasty, kung gaano kasarap ang lahat ng ito. Thank you for watching Web Regeneration. Tara sa Food Hunting Ta episode. Tara sa next video kay mga onata.